In today's episode, I'll be doing a pedicure tutorial. So, if you are keen, we get, no man, I can't do this anymore. I'm 250 was a saloon. It's too much, baby girl. And you know what? I want to do it myself. Come, Sam, come. I am here for you. I am here for you. Me and you, we are in the same WhatsApp group. Tune in. Bugera. I will take you through step by step. Welcome back. If you are new, you are welcome. You are welcome. Thank you very much. If you are a returnee, please write down kuma comments ngicela ukuthi uthi present so that sends a show ukuthi i-register simakhile. So yeah, so we kule nail tutorial. All you gonna need as this UV lamp. This is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need this UV lamp, and then you are going to need a filer, and then you are gonna need a nail cut, and then you're gonna need this thing. I don't know what this thing is called, but what I know is that you remove our cuticles. You shift this inyama mover. So this is Museben's walentole. And then you're gonna need your these three. So the first one is gonna be your base coat. This is the base coat here. This is gonna be your base coat. And then you're gonna need a color, whatever color that you want, that you wish, that you desire. Choose the color. If you want red, if you want green. If you want, I chose white. I want white. Thank you very much. And then you're gonna need this one, which is the top coat. This is our top coat. So this is all you need, Bazalwan. In two hands. This is all you need. Finish in class. This is all you need. And then uba right, uba relevant, uba msoso kaido, uba super practical, uba aspalatation, sisiyabangena. So now I'm gonna take you to a tutorial step by step. Yenzile na uzoba set, ube baby girl, ube right, ube relevant. Sibangeni. This is less than UV lamp was I think 250, and then I buy this 25 rand each, and then this one is 5 rand, 10 rand, depending on which we if you tell Josie estradini mamtasekaya, it's 5 rand. Or if you tell maybe in 10 rand, we are flat dropping. You are as but was I chose so and then you're gonna need and then that's about it. This is less than the money that you use to go and do your nails at the salon. I'm not saying there's a problem with the salon. Preference. It's really up to you. But if you want to zenze kaya uzirelaxele and awufuna ukuphuma ngaphandle and nawe nje ufuna nje ukwenza ku self love, self care, na iplug nyaplaka manje ke hayi asenzeni bethuna asenzeni. And this is the final product. This is the final product. This is the final product. You get the final product. So I hope see happy. I hope see happy. So guys, next time you don't waste money. You just buy your own things, buy your equipment. Music or right or relevant. Uzishaye amazipho ube right, ube msoso guide. So from me, the girl, to you, it's a goodbye, Stanozam. It's a goodbye. I hope in the right, I hope in the relevant, so guided and super practical as baladicious. And do not forget to subscribe, but do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the notification button so that anytime I upload a video, anytime I upload, you like, you comment, you share, do zonke lezo zinto zithandwa zami, do zonke lezo zinto. But from me,